Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on making our password briefly visible while we are entering it in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to look for this option and how to turn it on. First we need to go to settings. In settings we are looking for our security and privacy menu. In here, then in more security settings, when we scroll all the way down, we have make passwords visible. So as you can see, our make password visible option is on. By default, this option is on. But if it's off for whatever reason and we want to turn it back on, here it is. So show password characters briefly as you type them. So it's a fraction of a second. We can see our password. So now it's on. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.